Here's the famous pancake recipe. I'm using some locally grown blueberries. I live in a nice part of Ontario for that. And I've got some cinnamon that I'm throwing in today, just a pinch. Gives it a nice flavor. I also use an egg. I separate it, beat the white, and then fold that into the batter. Spelt flour. Sometimes I use spelt, sometimes spelted oat. And then I'm throwing in some quick cook oats today. Almond milk, I use buttermilk or skim milk or anything like that for liquid. A bit of oil and some salt and baking powder for it as a rising agent. And today, turkey bacon, sometimes back bacon. So here we are enjoying that wonderful taste of fresh pancakes. They are so good that I have to share them with my French poodle, and he loves them too.